The next method we're going to look at is the items method. So let's make an items demo.py file, and we're going to need a dictionary. So let's see. Maybe this one will do nicely. So we have this phone book, and it's got 3 keys, Beth, Alice, and Cecil, and 3 phone numbers. And so what we'll do is we'll say items, or actually we'll say phone numbers is equal to phonebook.items. And it's a parameterless method, so we just put open close parentheses. We still have to have that to make the method work. Methods have to have parentheses. And then we'll just print phone numbers and see what we get. And it returns a list of, so basically it's the reverse of the DICT function. It takes a dictionary and turns it into a list of pairs of tuples with the key value pairs separated. So that's the items method.